In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix Libcurl.dll Missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator on the right pane. Type SFC space forward slash scan now just one word and no space in between and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is completed, type exit in the command prompt window and restart. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, check your system type. First, go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type. Open a browser. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. And then also consider to update your Windows. Click on the Start button and then go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.